Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got a mouthwatering recipe for anyone looking to get their full day's nutrition and energy in just one meal. We're talking about a fully loaded 2,000-calorie carnivore meal that's not only delicious but will keep you satisfied for hours. On the menu, a double bacon cheeseburger as the main course and crispy salmon patties made from wild-caught canned salmon, egg, and pork rind crumbs as the perfect side. Let's dive right in. Here's everything we'll need. 12 ounces of ground beef for our double cheeseburger. 4 slices of bacon to give that crispy, salty goodness. 2 slices of cheddar cheese for that melty, cheesy finish. For the salmon patties, we've got 1 6-ounce can of wild-caught salmon, 1 egg, and 2 ounces of pork rind crumbs to keep things crunchy and delicious. This is a fully carnivore-approved feast. We're starting with our bacon. 4 slices of thick-cut bacon to add a perfect crunchy bite to our burger. Bacon is packed with healthy fats that are going to help fuel your body for the entire day. Plus, it's just bacon, right? Fry them in a pan over medium heat until they reach your desired level of crispness, and place them aside on a paper towel when done. Next up, let's move on to our main star, the burger patties. I've got 12 ounces of ground beef here, shaped into 2 hefty patties. Ground beef is an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients like iron and B vitamins. Cook the patties over medium heat until they're nice and juicy. Top each patty with a slice of cheese before stacking them up on your plate. Cheese gives us some extra fat and calcium, making this burger not only delicious, but incredibly nutrient-dense. Now let's finish off our burger by topping it with our crispy bacon for that ultimate crunch and smoky flavor. This is going to be one epic double bacon cheeseburger, bunless of course. While our burger is resting, it's time to whip up our salmon patties. I'm using wild-caught canned salmon, which is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamins like B12 and D. To bind everything together, we've got 1 egg and 2 ounces of pork rind crumbs. Pork rinds add a crunchy texture and more flavor without needing any extra carbs. You can use some of the pork rind crumbs to coat the patties and create a crispy outer crust, which will serve as our carnivore breading. Fry these patties in a bit of butter until they're golden brown on both sides. Salmon is packed with healthy fats that are great for brain and heart health, making this side dish not only delicious, but super nutritious. And there you have it, a fully loaded 2,000-calorie carnivore meal. If your total daily energy expenditure is around 2,000 calories, then this meal is going to cover all your energy and nutritional needs for the entire day. Our juicy double bacon cheeseburger is stacked with protein and healthy fats, and our crispy salmon patties are the perfect nutrient-dense side. This is the kind of meal that's not only satisfying, but keeps you going for hours. Plus, it's 100% carnivore approved, with 0 carbs, just nutrient-dense animal-based ingredients. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're ready to give this 2,000-calorie carnivore meal a try, let me know in the comments how it turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more carnivore-friendly recipes and tips. See you in the next video.